You might belong in Gryffindor, where dwell the brave at heart. Their daring nerve and chivalry set Gryffindors apart.
What brand would a Gryffindor buy? Let's break down their buyer persona to figure it out. First, their demographics. This is the quantitative side. Who are they? Well, we're doing a buyer persona for all of Gryffindor people as a whole. So we got to keep the demographics pretty vague. The age 10 to hundreds of years. Race varies. Gender, all. Marital status, all. Employment varies. Income varies. Education, Hogwarts. And location varies. Next, their psychographics. This is the qualitative side. Why are they making a purchase? There's always a reason behind a purchase. Well, their personality traits are brave, heroic, and determined. Lifestyle, they are self-reliant.
I think I can tell the wrong sort for myself, thanks.
And they're often found in leadership roles. Social status, high, and sometimes they're a little cocky about it. Gryffindors can be a little showboaty from time to time. It also seems like the other three houses are on a lower tier from Gryffindors. And then those poor Hufflepuffs. But don't worry, we'll cover them in another video. Activities and interests, they are up for excitement, fighting injustice, and Quidditch. Obviously, because who doesn't love Quidditch? Quidditch, one of those. No one buys brands. People buy what they believe. So what does a Gryffindor believe? Their values and attitudes? Doing the right thing. Putting others above themselves, and they can bend the rules if it's for a higher purpose. So what's the brand that best embodies the demographics and psychographics of a Gryffindor? That's gotta be the ACLU, or American Civil Liberties Union. I realize Hogwarts is in the United Kingdom and this is American Civil Liberties Union, but some Gryffindors must have moved to America, right? So let's just focus on those Gryffindors. The ACLU is a great brand for Gryffindors because they fight for the little guy, and they cover issues like capital punishment, civil liberties, racial justice, human rights, free speech. This is basically your non-profit version of Dumbledore's army. And the ACLU's dogged pursuit of justice through all avenues available is something a Gryffindor would really admire. Do you agree with me? What brand do you think a Gryffindor would use? Post your reply in the comments and check out this next video for another lesson on copywriting and marketing.